Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Billionaire here, and let me tell you something, success leaves clues. And today we're diving deep into the mind of a true titan, a game changer, the one and only Elon Musk. We're not just talking about his rockets or electric cars, no. We're breaking down the mindset, the habits, the sheer willpower that took him from a kid with a dream to a guy who's changing the world. We're talking about the kind of fire that burns brighter than 1,000 suns. This is about you. This is about unlocking that potential within you, about pushing past your limits and achieving the extraordinary. Get ready to ignite your inner Elon because things are about to get fired up. Look, let's cut to the chase. You want to be on Elon's level? You gotta be obsessed. Not just work hard, I'm talking about a different breed of hustle. Elon, he's not clocking out at 5 p.m. He's putting in the hours, day in and day out, driven by a vision bigger than himself. So how do you do it? You commit. You set a schedule and you stick to it like your life depends on it. No distractions, no excuses. You prioritize. What are the tasks that will move the needle? What are the game changers? You attack those first. And listen, I know what you're thinking. Tony, I can't work 100 hours a week. And you know what? You're right. You don't have to. But you do have to maximize every damn minute you've got. Eliminate the time wasters, the energy vampires. Every minute you spend scrolling, that's a minute Elon's out there building the future. Now I'm not saying become a robot. You need your rest, your recovery. But when you're in the zone, you're locked in, 100%. This is about pushing your limits, about proving to yourself what you're truly capable of. Remember, success breeds success. The more you achieve, the more you believe in your ability to achieve even more. It's a cycle, and it starts with that first, relentless push. So, are you ready to embrace the grind? Are you ready to step up your game and unleash the force within you? This is your moment. This is your time. Make it happen. Here's the thing about Elon Musk, and any successful entrepreneur for that matter, they're not afraid to fail. In fact, they embrace it. Failure isn't the opposite of success, it's a stepping stone. Every mistake, every setback, it's a chance to learn, to adapt, to come back stronger. Elon's rockets, they didn't all reach orbit on the first try. There were explosions, there were crashes. But did he give up? Hell no. He analyzed the data, he learned from the failures, and he came back with a better rocket. This is about cultivating a growth mindset. It's about believing that you can always improve, that you can learn new skills, that you can adapt to any challenge. And it starts with curiosity. Never stop questioning, never stop exploring. The world is full of incredible knowledge just waiting to be discovered. Read books, attend seminars, surround yourself with brilliant minds. Speaking of brilliant minds, let's talk about your tribe. You know, the people you surround yourself with? Choose them wisely. You want people who inspire you, who challenge you to be your best self, people who share your vision, your drive, your hunger for success. Remember, you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So, ask yourself, who are those 5 people? Are they lifting you up, or are they holding you back? This is your journey, but you don't have to go it alone. Find your tribe, build your network, and support each other on the road to greatness. Now let's talk about risk, because let's be real, you're not going to achieve anything extraordinary by playing it safe. Elon Musk, he's not afraid to take risks. He's launching rockets, he's building electric cars, he's even trying to colonize Mars. But here's the key, they're calculated risks. He's not just jumping into the unknown blindly. He's assessing the situation, he's weighing the potential rewards against the potential risks, and he's making informed decisions. See, most people, they're playing checkers. They're making small moves, afraid to take a chance. But Elon, he's playing chess. He's thinking several steps ahead, he's anticipating his opponent's moves, and he's always got a plan. Now, I'm not saying you should go out and bet the farm on a risky venture, but you do need to be willing to step outside your comfort zone to embrace uncertainty. Because the truth is, the biggest rewards often lie on the other side of fear. And listen, not every risk you take is going to pay off. That's just the nature of the game. But here's the thing, even when you fail, you learn. You gain valuable experience that you can use to make better decisions in the future. So, how do you develop this ability to take calculated risks? It starts with knowledge. You need to understand the industry you're in, you need to know your competition, and you need to have a solid understanding of the market. Once you have that knowledge, you can start to identify opportunities. Look for gaps in the market, look for ways to improve existing products or services, and don't be afraid to think big. Remember, the greatest risk is not taking any risks at all. So be bold, be courageous, and don't be afraid to make a move. Let me tell you something. Without a vision, you're just drifting. You're a ship without a sail, tossed around by the waves. Elon Musk, he's got a vision. He wants to revolutionize transportation. He wants to colonize Mars. He wants to change the world. And that vision, it's what drives him. It's what gets him up in the morning. It's what keeps him going when things get tough. It's his North Star guiding him towards his ultimate destination. So what's your vision? What legacy do you want to leave behind? Take some time to really think about it. What are you passionate about? What problems do you want to solve? What impact do you want to have on the world? Once you have a clear vision, write it down. Put it somewhere you'll see it every day. Make it your mantra, your guiding principle. But here's the thing, a vision without action is just a daydream. So what are you going to do today to make your vision a reality? What steps can you take, no matter how small, to move closer to your goals? And remember, your vision is not set in stone. As you learn and grow, your vision may evolve. Don't be afraid to adjust your course, to adapt to new information, and to refine your goals along the way. The important thing is to have a vision, to have a purpose, and to be constantly moving towards it. Now I know what you're thinking. Tony, this all sounds great, but what about balance? What about my family, my friends, my hobbies? Listen, I hear you. And let me be clear, burnout is real. Pushing yourself to the limit is important, but you need to take care of yourself too. Even Elon, he takes time to recharge, he spends time with his family, he reads books, he even makes time for the occasional Twitter feud. But here's the thing. Work-life balance, it's not about separating your work from your life. It's about integrating them in a way that works for you. It's about finding ways to pursue your passions and achieve your goals while still making time for the things that are important to you. So how do you do it? It starts with setting boundaries. Decide when you're going to work and when you're going to disconnect. When you're with your family, be present. Put away your phone, engage in meaningful conversations, and create lasting memories. And don't forget about yourself. Make time for the things that bring you joy, whether it's reading, hiking, or just spending some quality time alone. Remember, you're playing the long game here. Success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. And to win a marathon, you need to pace yourself. You need to take care of your body, your mind, and your spirit. So there you have it, the Elon Musk blueprint for success. It's about hard work, it's about resilience, it's about vision. But most importantly, it's about believing in yourself and your ability to achieve greatness. Elon's journey teaches us that anything is possible if you're willing to put in the work, to embrace the challenges, and to never give up on your dreams. So go out there, unleash your inner Elon, and make your mark on the world. Because the world is waiting for your genius, your innovation, your unique contribution. The time for excuses is over. The time for action is now. Go make it happen.